Okay, so this week video is gonna be the unboxing video, the Captain America playset. So let's get started. Here how it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna open it one by one. Right. It is so cool, isn't it? This one is Thor. Oh no, not Thor, but Hulk. So cool. Yeah. Then another one is small Captain America. Pretty cool. I think you can press this and come out the light. So that's this one. Yeah, so cool. Alright, move to the next one. Iron Man. Alright. It really looks like the real Iron Man in the movie. And here's the Spider-Man. Right. I guess how it looks if you open like this. I don't know, but
Autobots, transform and roll out.
here's the mask, Iron Man mask, and here's the Captain America mask, and there is ribbon for you to tie from here to there. Alright, and there is two more balls. I don't know what this ball is used for, but I believe that there's this ball in the movie. Yeah. Okay, that's all for this video. See you guys next week. Bye.